Hello everyone, this is Shanu Bhatia from Kasi Funda. Today I am going to make a video on the topic small SEO tools to beat the Google traffic. Let's start with the introduction. SEO basically involves a set of techniques used to improve the ranking of your website in online searches. It consists of methods to understand and exploit the algorithms according to where queries of users are responded by search engines. Adding CSS to website is necessary to make it attractive to users around the world. Similarly, SEO is necessary in today's world so as to make your website more appealing to search engines. Best SEO tools by Google Page Speed Insights. This tool is provided by Google as a part of its SEO platform Google Webmasters. Google Page Speed Insights analyze the speed of loading of your content on desktop as well as smartphone and produces a score of your website. Google Trends. It displays figures and statistics related to the number of searches performed on different topics around the globe on its search engine. Trends shows which topics currently trending in Google searches and even sorts results according to parameters like country, time, etc. Google Analytics. This is a free service provided by Google to users to check the traffic on their website and analyze the traffic on the basis of various parameters. For instance, the traffic countries from where the traffic is being driven on your website. Google Analytics provide you sufficient data so that you can track the return of your investments. Google Search Console. This is a powerful tool provided by Google for free. It provides you with the information about your websites present in Google searches. It can be used to extract information about websites that have links to your content. This was part of a Google Webmasters platform and now is an independent platform. smallseotools.com. If you are looking for all-rounder in the field of SEO, then this platform is the ultimate destination. This platform provides tools for text content, image editing, keyword analysis, backlinks, website management and whatnot. We know that this platform is jackpot in the field of SEO. Plagiarism checker. This is the most used feature of the platform. Plagiarism is imitating else ideas or content and presenting it as yours. Plagiarism checker on SEO tool compares your content with the content of at least a billion other web pages. Grammar check, a tool used for the grammar nazis out there. Jokes apart, any content to be published over the internet has to be grammatically correct. The content of a blog or an article are checked for their grammar before being published. The grammar checker of small SEO tools is quite good to accomplish this task. Keyword research, another tool on the platform that is used for SEO. Keywords are discussed as the backbone of the SEO. The keyword researcher suggests the best keywords for domain you specify. Tabular analysis of the keywords is also provided. Paid keyword finder. This is another gem of a tool present on the platform. With this, you can find about the keywords that your rivals are paying for. Last but not the least, conclusion. It is important SEO in the current scenario when Google gives you thousands and thousands of links as a search result of a single phrase or even a word. Whether your content fits among the first few of those links or not is a question to ponder about, because we all know that rarely a person visits 10th link provided by Google, leave aside the second page of links. I hope the video is clear to you. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share my channel, and don't forget to write your valuable comment in the comment box. Thank you everyone.